It's according to Abigail. My name's Abigail. Today we are making cookies for Santa. We're making hugs and kisses, and here are some ingredients. We have snap pretzels.
Hold them up to the camera.
Pretzels. We have M&M'S. We have caramel.
And hugs.
And hugs and kisses.
Okay, so Mom's gonna help out today, right? So this is a super simple recipe. It only takes 2 minutes in the oven. Very, very simple. All the little kids can help. Mom did some of the prep work today to help the video go a little bit faster. But we'll show you just how easy this is. We start with the pretzel snaps. Miss Abigail, if you could lay them all in the pan.
All of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Just try to line, whoops, if they're broken, pull them out. Don't use the broken ones. And just kind of line them all up.
Just spill them.
Spill.
Yeah, just toss the broken ones out. It's like when she opens wine boxes.
We got the pretzels all laid out.
Now, what are we gonna do next?
Now we are going to put,
The hugs and the kisses on.
yeah,
All right, so here's your bowl.
hugs, kisses.
The chocolate and the white chocolate are the hugs, right?
Yeah.
Just put a hug on each pretzel. The other one is gonna be the kisses.
I can reach it.
We have Kraft Caramels that we sliced in half, because half is more than enough. And we put a Kraft Caramel down and then a dark chocolate kiss on top. And there is your kiss. So keep going, Miss Abigail. Let's fill up this tray with hugs and kisses for Santa. Keep going, that's a big tray. Santa gets really hungry traveling around the whole world giving out toys to all the little kids. So we got to give him a really good snack.
You're getting there.
You getting there? Put on the oven for 300 degrees in 2 minutes.
That's exactly right, 300 degrees for just 2 minutes. Okay, let's go put them in the oven. Just 2 minutes. All right, make sure you line the pan with aluminum foil. Here they come.
We are finished making the cookies.
We're finished cooking.
We're finished cooking.
Now we have to do the last piece. You ready? So for all the ones with caramel, you're gonna just press a pretzel on top. So any place we have caramel.
Melts right through.
Yeah.
Any place has caramel.
The gooey chocolate just comes right through.
Whoa.
It's pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool. Wait, that's, oh.
You have to use a different finger.
Switch fingers. Now, on the white ones, you can put, instead of putting a pretzel on top, you can put just a little colored M&M and press it down. And that's like the bow on the present, right?
Yay!
You use all different colored M&Ms, just like you use different colored ribbons
Very
when
cool.
you make a present. The hardest part about these cookies is waiting for them to cool to eat them. That's the hardest part.
And one last step you can put sea salt on top.
All right, Ab, so what do you think about this project? Hugs and kisses for Santa. These good cookies? What's the best part of making these cookies? Eating them? Yeah.
Let's make a nose light up.
All right, so these cookies just need to cool for a couple minutes. You can either, well, actually for probably a little bit longer than a couple minutes, but you can always do what we're gonna do and put them outside in the snow. And then they'll cool off really, really quick. What do you think? You gonna get lots of hugs? You gonna get lots of presents from Santa because of these hugs and kisses?
Yeah. I didn't make my Santa list yet.
So what do you want to say? You didn't make your Santa list yet. Oh my gosh! Now we have all these cookies.
Bye guys. I hope you subscribe because it's really important. And if you think these cookies are really yummy, comment down below. We're ready, Santa, and Merry Christmas. This is the best part. Thanks for watching.